I have some miscellaneous planting I want to do. This is a hardy rose, JP McConnell. It's good for zone 3. And you can see from the flower, which is losing its petals now, it comes out as a bright yellow and then it fades to a soft pastel yellow. We're going to plant this in the garden today, right here. And we're putting it in the same spot. I had another rose that did not make it. Then we're going to plant up 2 of the coral Flame Peonies. I have 2 of them to put in. And then I have some other miscellaneous plantings we're going to do. So let's get started. This is the Shrub Rose. It's from the Explorer series of roses. As you can see, it's very pastelish, which I love. It's a vigorous, upright, beautiful double lemony blooms. Flowers start in June and continue through season and good for zone 3. And it likes the sunlight. Go figure. So I think this will be gorgeous. It's hardy for my zone, so no worries there. And I think, just based on what I've done so far, it's going to be glorious right here. I've got it with daylilies and Asiatic lilies and other Asiatics in front. It's going to have the coral peony right here. So that's the Flame Peony. So, and then I'm going to probably plant up the edge with some awesome color. In the back, I need to get in here and weed. My hollyhocks are growing, but I've got thistles. I'm behind, you guys. And so I'm going to have to clean that out, and I need to get some shrubs in here because the rabbits did a lot of damage. So I need to fix this up because now we're fencing it and it won't be a problem anymore. So that is planted. And I am moving fairly fast on these plantings because we're in weather watches again, and the sky is getting gross. It's just super humid. My pants are sticking to me. Speaking of things sticking to me, not that you guys want to know this, but last night, I showered and everything yesterday, and I went to bed last night, and I happened to reach down the back of my legs because I'm a little paranoid lately about ticks, and sure as heck there was a tick just under my butt cheek on the back of my leg had bit me, and I pulled him off, and I yelled at Rob. I said, Rob, get in here, holy crap, I got a tick. And he comes in and he's like, yeah, right, you got nothing there. He looks at the spot and he doesn't see anything. So I showed him, I threw it in the toilet, and yes, it was a tick and it had bit me. So I had him rub me down with alcohol, but I was not impressed, and he took it a little too well, he didn't take it very seriously, but it was my butt that was bit. So not cool. So today I have sprayed up to my knees with repellent to try to keep anything off of me, because for some reason they seem to like me this year. All right, let's plant the 2 peonies. So I'm putting 1 right here, and I'm putting 1 over here, but I gotta get some grass out over here. There we go. There, it's focused. All right, I have the first Flame Peony in, and this is it right here, Flame Peony, Northern Garden Collection. And what it says upside down, it's a perennial, sun, part shade, hardness for zone 3 to 40 degrees, height 30 to 36 inches apart, bloom June, July, water, regular watering. So I think that'll be gorgeous. It does have a bud on it. I doubt that bud will produce. At this point, it's looking a little black on top, but I'm going to leave it on for now, and I'll probably come over and cut it off after. So now we're going to put in the next one, and I believe it is the same kind. All right, there is the hole that I'm going to put this peony into, so let's get it in now. Like there, you guys have seen lots of holes dug by a lot of gardeners, so I'm just going to carry on to try to get these in. Now, we all know that peonies shouldn't be planted too deep. You basically just cover the root and that is it. Even in the colder climates, we don't have to plant them deep. And that's the way they like it, so that's what we give them. All right, let's plant some more stuff. So you guys, I have 6 bubblegum petunias. We all know these can be, excuse me, these can be planted a good couple feet apart and they will fill an area. I think they'll be pretty here in this bed, and it definitely needs something along this border. So I'm going to plant them in here for that added color, and we'll see how robust they are over here. I'm pretty excited about these. Home Depot had the bubblegum petunias. I haven't seen them anywhere else, but I'm just so happy I found some, because for what it cost me, so these are $6.49 each. So and that's Canadian. For what it cost me for these, for how many I require, it's a pretty big bang for the buck, quite honestly. I do find Proven Winners extremely expensive, and I don't really like the 1 pot per plant thing, because I think it's, you know, well, let's just say I don't know that any petunia should be 1 pot per plant. But we're going to work with this and put them in, and we're going to get some color into this bed. So I'm just going to go and lay them out, and I'll show you where I'm putting them. All right, so you can see where I'm planting the bubblegum petunias, right along this edge here, right up to here. And if I'm happy with them, I might get some more to run like right over there. But for now, I'm going to put these in because I'm looking for that color, and the pollinators will thank me. So let's dig these all in. They should be gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to take this root out now because it's in the way. It's under the lawn, and it's rotting anyhow. All right, so that root is out, and that's a lot better. Each time I encounter one of these, I try to dig them out. If I can't dig them out, I try to treat them and kill them. All right, so the petunias, the bubblegum petunias are in the ground, in the bed. They look better. I still have a lot of work to do on this bed because there's tree roots and everything in here. But you can see from a distance, it's coming together. Once I get some nice shrubs in the back to hide everything in the alley, so to speak, plus my hollyhocks over there should help. This should be a nice area. It just takes a bit of work. And with these darn storms, it's slowing me down getting here cleaning out these beds. So that is next, to get in here, clean these out, and do some more planting, and this time be more shrubs and stuff. And I need to also give these a really good soak, the ones that I moved, and I need some edging on the front. But Rob's going to move that sprinkler to the back, so I can't plant anything in there till he gets that done. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can see the colors coming together. I think when that rose takes off and starts growing, which they usually do the first year, I think it'll be very pretty in here. And then I'm going to have to fix where we dug that root out last year and make this area beautiful. So that's next on the list. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm showing you the way things are and the challenges I face in my garden, because I'm a one-person team for doing the gardens. And, you know, I'm slowly making progress. It should be beautiful in the long run. Thanks everyone for watching. Hey, and thanks everybody for the support and the love that you share in the comments and everything, and watching my videos. I can't express how much I appreciate all of you. Bye.